My doctor, I check news, and due to a health problem that I have, I know that I am heard a little bit strange. This is because of an operation that I had, and I am now in the recovery process. Now, nevertheless, despite my health problems, life goes on, technology goes on, and I'm here to show you for my Xiaomi 12 Pro. This is a Xiaomi 12 Pro. Close the box. How fast can we charge it? At the moment the battery is 0. The mobile from GizTop came with a 120 watt charger, as you can see. Xiaomi says that it can go from 0 to 100 in 15 minutes, so we're here to test it. So let's place the box aside. The charger 120 watts, and here says that it's 6 ampere, as you can see, max. So I'm going to put it in power. Alright, I have here my GTR 2 ready to see the time. As I told you, Xiaomi says 15 minutes. Of course, we're not going to wait 15 minutes for the video. It's going to be in fast forward. So, I'm ready to connect it and start counting. as you saw, this is a Xiaomi 12 Pro, right? Charging 100%, let's get it off. And now push the gen, which does 120 watts. The mobile was closed, deactivated, when I started charging it. 21 minutes and 55 seconds. This is more time from the one that Xiaomi told us. So, not a bad time, but it would be rude Xiaomi to tell the truth. This is my doctor for iTech News.gr with my new Xiaomi 12 Pro. Bye.